Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. A lot of you guys wanted me to make a quick TA on Roblox. I don't think that TA is gonna be really a good thing for Roblox right now. I mean, it's too early, right? It's only been trading for a couple of days. I'm gonna do the best I can of where I think that we're actually headed. But this isn't gonna be a quick TA. I mean, it's not gonna be a long TA. It's gonna be a relatively fast one. Just for a quick, I am bearish on Roblox. I do think we're headed all the way back down to $69. I think that a price point to buy in would be at 69 bucks. There's a small gap right here. There's a small gap between what, 72 bucks and 70, like 350, 73.40. There's a small gap right there that needs to get filled. You guys know that I always think that gaps are always going to get filled. Look at this, the gap that got created between $70 and what is it, like 72 bucks right here. This one got filled. This one got filled right away. And guess what? It got filled within like a couple of like the next half an hour or like hour or so, right? So there is a chance, I think, that we touch the $71 level today and then go back down. But as of right now, I would be buying in only at the $69 level. So if we do hit, what was today's low? Today's low was, let me see. This one low is 69.33. So I think I would set a price point. I would set a buy-in at 69, like 75, I think. I think if I was gonna buy Roblox, I'd buy it at 69.75 and then basically let it ride, because we do need to fill in this gap right here at $73. If you were to swing trade this and you were to buy at 60, what did I just say, 69, like 69.75. Let me see, 69.75. We'll do 70. Well, that's close enough. And then we have a sell limit at 73.39, which is the exact place where that gap needs to get filled. You make like a 5% profit. I mean, unless you're trading big money, I don't think Roblox right now is gonna be a solid like swing trade for, like, you know, unless you're putting in like maybe like $10,000. What's 5% of $10,000, man? I don't know. 10% is a grand, like 500 bucks. You'll make like 500 bucks, which is not bad, right? I don't think it's bad, but I would only buy at 69.75. I think that's where I would buy, and I would have my sell limit right around the 73 dollars and like 25 cents if you're looking for a swing trade. But if you're looking to go long term, I do think it's headed back down, and I do think it's going to go and retouch that 69 like 30 cent level. I think that's what's going to happen. I mean, if you look at the 5-minute chart right now, it does look like we're going to cross over towards the downside, to the bearish side, and I do think we're going back to 69. We didn't break the fractal up here at 71 bucks. We didn't even touch the former resistance level at 71.75 or 71 like 75, 79. So as of right now, I do think we're headed back down. I think we're going back down to 69 bucks. At that point, I'd probably buy in Roblox, and more than likely I'd have one sell limit at 70, like $70 and like 95 cents, and I'd have the next sell limit up at $73 and like 40 cents. I think that's what I would probably have it set up as. But yeah, this is basically, I think we're going back down to 69 bucks. You guys can see the candle getting created right now. I think we're going to head back to $69. I think that might be a solid bottom for right now. Everything is, the whole market right now is not exactly at the best. So please take into consideration that we can definitely drop all the way back down. I mean, there's another huge wick that got created at $60.91. So we can definitely go all the way back down to 60, what is it? 60, like $61 basically. I think the next level down would probably be 68.75 at the lowest. I don't think we're gonna go any lower than that, but you know, you never know, right? You never know exactly what's gonna happen. So as of right now, I am seeing that, you know, the lowest point I think that we actually do hit is maybe gonna be 68.75, and then the previous support is at 69.33. But like I said, I do think we're headed back to $69. I think the right thing to do would be buying at 69.75 and then setting a sell limit for 73.40, 73.25, and then cashing out like 5% if you want to swing it. But Roblox, I mean, I don't want to get in on it for like another month or so. If we do drop to 69.75, I'll probably buy in like 10K and then just ride it out and see if it actually hits that 73.40 to fill that gap, basically. As of right now, short term, I am bearish. Long term, I'm definitely bullish because I like the company, but also because I do think it's going to fill that $73 gap or whatever. So I'll see you guys later.